Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you how to fix our creator's voice chat and mic not working on PC. So before we go ahead and show you my way on what worked for me, make sure that you have all the aligned input and output settings for your our creator's voice chat with the same output on your device and input on your device. Make sure you put that on the game as well. That could be a main issue. But if the main issue is both icons are crossed out, or the game never tried to connect with the voice chat, and the common IPv5 or IPv6 did not work for you, this could be the solution for you. So I want you to go ahead and open up your command prompt right here, cmd, run as administrator. And what I'd like you to do is go ahead and copy this 3 lines right here. Open up your cmd, then input these 3 lines over here. So let me go ahead and copy and put these 3 lines over here. This is going to fix your voice chat and mic for our creators. This is like the server or the main line that will be fixed. Okay, once everything is done on the cmd, go ahead and exit out that and relaunch our creators, and your voice chat and mic should be working. If this video helped you out, please leave a like on this video, subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Peace.